Hello everyone, my name is Tiara Yuliandini. Today, I want to present a material about line and gradient. Happy watching! I will give a condition where there is a girl named Anna. Anna was playing tangram. There is one shape that catches Anna's attention, and there is a green triangle. Anna was curious about something. She wanted to know the gradient. So, she made a coordinate to make it easier to find the gradient. And also, she named each vertex of the triangle with A, B, and C. Besides tangram, Anna also has a ruler and wanted to know the gradient too. And she named the endpoint with M and N. Okay. From that condition, we can represent the triangle and the ruler like on this graph. And this is the question we have to solve. Find the gradients of the line segments AB, BC, AC, and MN. Then, find the pairs of line segments that are parallel and perpendicular. Yup, besides we find the gradients, we will also find the pairs of line segments that are parallel and perpendicular. For the solution, let's watch this video till the end. Before determining the gradient of the line segment, we determine the coordinates of each point first. From the graph, we can get A is 20, 20, B is minus 20, minus 10, C is minus 5, minus 30, M is 5, minus 40, and N is 35, 20. Just as a bit of a review, gradient, or you can call it slope, is just telling us how steep a straight line is. And the best way to view it, gradient equals change in y over change in x, which is y minus y1 over x minus x1. And sometimes you might see it written like this. You might see this triangle. That's a capital delta. That means change in y over change in x. We already know the coordinates of each point. And now we can determine the gradients of the line segments AB, BC, AC, and MN. Okay, let's look at line segment AB first. So, what is the change in y and what is the change in x? Yeah, change in y is equal to minus 10 minus 20. Minus 10 is for B, or it's the value of y. 20 is for A, or it's the value of y1. And change in x for line segment AB is minus 20 minus 20. Same as like change in y. Minus 20 is for B, or it's the value of x. And 20 is for A, or it's the value of x1. Okay, now we start calculate it. Minus 10 minus 20 over minus 20 minus 20. The gradient of AB is minus 30 over minus 40, which is 3 over 4. Next, for BC, AC, and MN, we use the same method. For BC, change in y is equal to minus 30 minus 10, which is minus 30 plus 10. And change in x is equal to minus 5 minus 20, which is 5 plus 20. So, the gradient of BC is minus 20 over 15 equals minus 4 over 3. Now, for AC, change in y is equal to minus 30 minus 20. and change in x for line segment AC is minus 5, minus 20. So, the gradient of AC is minus 50 over minus 25 equals 2. Last but not least, we will find the gradient of Mn. Change in y is equal to 20 minus minus 40, which is 20 plus 40. And change in x is equal to 35 minus 5. So, the gradient of Mn is 60 over 30 equals 2. Okay, so now we can conclude the value of each gradient. Gradient of AB is 3 over 4. Gradient of BC is minus 4 over 3. Gradient of AC is 2 and gradient of Mn is 2. Next, how about to answer the second question? Find the pairs of line segments that are parallel and perpendicular. Two lines or two line segments are said to be perpendicular if their gradients will multiply together to give minus 1. So, the two perpendicular line segments are line segment AB and line segment BC, because 3 over 4 times minus 4 over 3 is equal to minus 1. Meanwhile, two lines are parallel if they have the same gradient. Thus, the line segment AC and line segment MN are parallel because both have a gradient of 2. Okay, so that's for a little bit material of line and gradient. I'm sorry if there's still any deficiency because this is the first time for me to make a learning video. I hope you can like it and I hope this video can helpful for those of you who watch it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.